Today, we are about to do a hairstyle under $25. I hate the fucking hair texture. I hate the hair texture I got, but that's the only thing the hair store has. So we're gonna do with what we got. Okay, I know what y'all thinking. I got a whole lot of BBs back there. I got enough BBs to start a war, but them BBs gonna turn into VVs. Just stay down. I got the back braided down. So now it's time to put the cap on and install this. But let me show you what I have. Y'all will need a comb. If you use any comb of your choice, I prefer the little parting combs. I got the pack right here. It wasn't cheap for them. It's a braided metal pen comb. Pen tip. Glue, can't forget that. The magnificent Shiny Gem. Whoever Shiny Gem is, baby, you did anything with this. And then I'm gonna be orange, because I like orange. Okay, let's talk about this hair. I was supposed to get deep wave. The hair store, yeah, didn't have it. So we are going with the cheap. Damn. The cheap, I'm sorry. Definitely gonna be on the part. It's a rigid, whatever it is. This closure is not given. But, you know, if y'all like to send me some hair and do stuff like this, you can go ahead and do that. You're still gonna get same review. If it's not that, this is not that up to par, you guys, but it's gonna be under $25. I definitely only spend like 24. So yeah, let's see how this goes. It's cause at first it wasn't giving. It's still barely giving, but we getting through it, you know what I'm saying? At the end, y'all, we all gonna see how this turns out. This is the reason why I'm doing it. So y'all don't gotta waste y'all $25. This some bullshit. I mean, BS. $20.